Hip pain, causes and treatment. Any of the structures within the hip may hurt if the hip or surrounding structure is injured. Pain may range from a dull ache or throbbing to severe or completely disabling pain. It all depends on the exact cause and location of the pain. If the muscles, ligaments, or tendons in the hip become inflamed or otherwise damaged from overuse, misuse, or repetitive stress, it can cause hip pain. These are more apt to occur in addition to the normal wear and tear of age and in those that are very active, such as an athlete. One common overuse hip question is hip bursitis, where the trochanteric bursa becomes inflamed. Any medical condition or disease process that causes inflammation, especially around the hip, can be a source of hip pain. Some common examples might include arthritis and sciatica. Sprains of muscles surrounding the pelvis and hip can cause spasm and pain. A sprain is defined as an injury of a ligament. A ligament is a tough, thick, fibrous tissue whereby bones are connected together. A sprain is caused as a result of a ligament being stretched too far. Injuries happen when either the muscle is pulled too far or in one direction at the time the muscle is contracting. Sprains can also happen as a result of chronic activities that result in overstretching muscle fibers. Some common symptoms include bruising of the affected joint, swelling, and pain. Acute stage symptoms are characterized by swelling, redness, pain, and possibly a local sensation of heat, indicating inflammation. If coolness makes your pain feel better, then the acute stage treatment is recommended. Apply the Sinew Herbal Ice on your hip to reduce redness, swelling, and inflammation while dispersing accumulated blood and fluids to help restore normal circulation to the hip. This first aid treatment is used in place of ice to significantly speed up the healing process. It reduces the swelling and inflammation more effectively than ice, allowing you to more quickly regain range of motion. Ice is not recommended because it does not help repair damaged tissues and keeps everything in the injured area frozen, causing the stagnation of blood and fluids and the contraction of muscles, tendons, and ligaments. In Chinese sports medicine, ice is not used and is considered a culprit in injuries that don't heal well. Massage your hip with acute sinew liniments to relieve pain, reduce swelling and inflammation, break up clotted blood and stagnant fluids, and stimulate circulation of blood and fluids to help cells quickly repair damaged tissues. The Sinew Sports Massage Oil is recommended for use before and after exercise, sports, and strenuous activity. It warms and stimulates your muscles, increases circulation, and relieves tightness, hence improving your performance and helping to prevent injury. Chronic stage symptoms begin once the swelling and inflammation are gone, but you still feel pain, stiffness, weakness, and/or sensitivity in cold and damp weather. If heat makes your pain feel better, then the chronic stage treatment is recommended. Massage your hip with chronic sinew liniment to relieve pain and stiffness, strongly stimulate circulation and blood flow to damaged tissues, and promote the healing of overstretched tendons and ligaments. Soak your hip with the Sinew Relaxing Soak to relax muscles and tendons that are in spasm, ease joint pain and stiffness, and improve range of motion. The Sinew Relaxing Soak is particularly useful if you feel restricted mobility in your hip. The soak can be used by saturating a towel in the liquid and applying it to your hip. Soak your hip with the Sinew Warming Soak to bring warmth into the hip to drive coldness out of damaged tissues, increase local circulation, ease joint pain, and increase range of motion. The Sinew Warming Soak is particularly useful if your hip is more painful and sensitive to cold, or hurts more in cold weather. The soak can be used by saturating a towel in the liquid and applying it to your hip. The Sinew Sports Massage Oil is recommended for use before and after exercise, sports, and strenuous activity. It warms and stimulates your muscles, increases circulation, and relieves tightness, hence improving your performance and helping to prevent injury. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. To learn more, visit sinewtherapeutics.com.